Hi, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to make boneless chicken biryani in an instant pot. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Boneless chicken 1 pound, basmati rice 2.5 cups, 5 slit green chili, oil 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, half a cup of fried onions, all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons, 1 egg. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons, Garam Masala powder half tablespoon, Coriander powder 1 tablespoon, whole Garam Masala, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, bunch of mint leaves, bunch of cilantro, 1 onion sliced, 1 tomato diced into small pieces. First step is to marinate the chicken. Add boneless chicken into a large mixing bowl. Add salt. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And mix this well. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give it a quick stir. And now add egg. Mix well till the egg is coated to all the pieces. Now let's look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and wait for the inner pot to heat up. Once the pot is hot, add oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Once oil is hot, add chicken. Let the chicken fry well on one side. And now turn it over. Keep stirring gently so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Once the chicken is golden brown on both sides, remove the chicken from the pot. Now add rest of the pieces. Fry the rest of the pieces similarly and turn them over so that they're golden brown on both sides. Now the pieces are golden brown on both sides. I'm going to set these aside. Now add whole garam masala into the oil. You can use same oil. Now add green chili. Add onion. Saute onion and green chilies until they turn golden brown. Add salt so that the onion fries faster. Once the onions turn transparent, add ginger garlic paste. and saute the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell goes away. After 2 minutes, add half of the mint and half of cilantro leaves. After 2 minutes, add tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes till they are completely mashed. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn at the bottom. Once the tomatoes are completely mashed, add red chili powder. Add Garam Masala powder. Add Coriander powder and give it a quick stir. Now add the chicken and mix it well. And let this fry for 2 minutes. Now add soaked basmati rice on top of this. Layer it well. For 2.5 cups of basmati rice, add 4 cups of water. Check for salt. Now add mint and cilantro leaves on top. Add fried onions on top. Close the lid. Turn off saute mode. Turn on manual and set to 8 minutes. Make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. I've let the pressure release naturally. The safety valve is down, so I'm going to open the lid. Rice is perfectly done and it's ready to be served.